Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara and this is Clara's Corner. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, you are also welcome. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how I make my dishwashing liquid soap at home with just these three ingredients you're seeing on the screen right now. This particular soap is the safest to use in the kitchen and also do other home cleanings because it doesn't contain strong chemicals that are not safe for health. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First of all, before you start your production, you have to protect your skin from contamination with these chemicals so that it doesn't irritate your skin. You have to just protect your skin from being irritated by these chemicals. Okay guys, these are the three basic ingredients I'll be using for this soap making production. This one is SLS. SLS is a sodium lauryl sulfate. It's a cleaning and foaming agent. It's a basic liquid soap making chemical. The second one is salt. Salt we use in our kitchens. This salt will act as a thickener in this production. We use it to bind both the SLS and the third ingredient, which is the TEXAPON. We'll be using it to bind two of them together. The third one is TEXAPON. TEXAPON is also a cleaning and foaming agent. We'll be using it in this production. That's the three major ingredients we are using for making this soap. The quantity of soap we are making is 5 liters soap. With those three ingredients, the quantity of soap we are making is 5 liters, and what I have in this bowl is 5 liters of water that will be used for mixing. Okay, get another bowl and take like 1.5 liters of water from the 5 liters water you already have in the bowl. Take 1.5 liters of water into another bowl. This particular bowl will be used to dissolve the SLS. SLS will be dissolved separately in another bowl, while TEXAPON and salt will be dissolved into the other bowl. Like I said earlier, the quantity of SLS we are using is 125 grams. I just added the SLS into the 1.5 liters of water. Stir, 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 keep stirring, and set aside because SLS takes time to dissolve. When you stir for like 5 minutes, you set it aside to dissolve on its own. It's going to be dissolved completely and water will turn into transparent water while it has dissolved. Okay, here measuring out my TEXAPON for this production because I got 200 grams from the market, but I will be needing 150 grams for this production, so I just needed to measure out the 150 grams that will be used. This is exactly what I'm doing right here with my scale, just to measure out the TEXAPON, 150 grams of TEXAPON for this production. After measuring out 150 grams of TEXAPON, I quickly transferred into the bowl of 3.5 liters of water to be mixed thoroughly. This is the TEXAPON being mixed into the 3 liters of water, 3.5 liters of water. This TEXAPON has to be mixed thoroughly to get dissolved totally. You keep mixing until it's totally dissolved. Then after dissolving it completely, you get your salt and add into this mix. At this point, Texapon has been dissolved completely, and the next step is to add the 500 grams of salt into the Texapon mixture. Add slowly, mix until they are properly mixed together. Here you can notice that as you mix the salt into the Texapon, it started changing, it started thickening. Like I said earlier on, the salt serves as the thickener in this production. Immediately the salt is being added, it starts to thicken. Once the Texapon and the salt are properly mixed, the next step is to get your dissolved SLS and add into the mixture of Texapon and salt. Yes, you get your Texapon that you set aside before, after mixing, that has been dissolved. Get it and add slowly, bit by bit into the mixture of Texapon and salt. Keep mixing the three together very well. You can mix this for like 5 minutes to make sure that the three ingredients, Texapon, salt and SLS, has been mixed together very well. You have to mix this properly. Keep mixing until they are properly mixed together. Okay, what I have right here is the color that will be added into the soap. This particular color is yellow color. Sorry guys, I didn't know my camera didn't capture why I was mixing the color to add into the mixture. You only need to get small quantity of water and take a little portion of the color and mix into water before you add into the mixture. This is exactly what I did here. Take small quantity of the color and added into water, mix into water before adding into the mixture. You don't add your color directly to the mixture, you mix it with water because the color is in powdered form. You just mix it into little quantity of water and add into the mixture. Then here is the fragrance. I added the fragrance. That was what I poured into the bowl before adding it into here. Added fragrance into the bowl, the other bowl, mix it with little soap and added into the whole mixture of soap. This is exactly the last stage of this soap making production. At this point, you're going to keep this to stay, cover it up, keep it to stay for 24 hours the next day before you bring it down. Wow, guys, this is the soap we made yesterday. After keeping it for 24 hours, this is the result, the outcome of this soap. The soap is so beautiful, it smells so good. The I forgot to tell you guys the fragrance I used the lemon fragrance. This soap came out so beautiful. This soap has the same quality with the morning fresh they sell in supermarket and in stores. it has the same exact quality. This is the containers I have in the house before I started making my soap by myself. I have this morning fresh container. I am going to pour it into that container for you guys to see that this soap is exactly what they sell to us in the supermarkets and stores. The morning fresh dishwashing soap is exactly what I just made here, and guys, you would definitely love both the fragrance, everything on point. This soap is very beautiful and it lathers very well. Oh my god, I love this soap. I love this soap. This soap came out so beautiful, very beautiful, so on point. The fragrance, the texture, the everything came out properly well. Guys, I urge you guys to try out this recipe, these three ingredients recipe. Try it out, you would definitely love what you get. Of course, you come back to thank me. Guys, if you watch up to this point, thank you so much for watching my video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you can encourage me to do more beneficial videos for you guys. Send in your comments, like my videos, share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Bye.